I'm writing the thing, they want me to write something for them, and I'm...
So about what year is this picture taken?
That's going to be early. That's 66, 67, because we had the white wheels on it then. Yeah. Later on, it'll...
So you did an awesome job restoring it back to...
Well, we've had a... It looks like it did, but everything raceway is modern.
Oh, yeah, definitely, yeah.
It was a 2.4 straight drive car. It was a rusty old car. That's the way it looked. Had holes in it. This is a thing from Suffolk back in the day. And yep, there's a Pontiac.
56 racing 55 Pontiac? I'm not sure.
55, 56, probably something wagon, boat wagon.
Still see the lettering on it.
You can see the rust.
Yeah.
Got it.
And the lettering on the tailgate and the quarter panel.
Yep. Grandchild going, Grandpa is crazy.
Oh yeah.
Stuart Matthews, which is still alive, still does, you know, work on engines today. Jerry Stahl, who just passed away, who helped us a lot.
He's out of Virginia too?
Jerry Stahl was out of Pennsylvania. He did the Stahl headers.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see a lot of cars with them on there.
And yeah, they were big on junior stock cars back in the day. There it was after we started cleaning, stripping the body, kind of soda blasting it.
Nice car.
This was an old race car we had when we were kids.
Right, back in the 70s?
60s.
60s.
We started in December 7th of 65 building it.
You were right in Mechanicsville?
Yeah, and right in Mechanicsville, Virginia.
Yeah,
Come up
not
here
this
and race.
Mechanicsville.
And we raced up here many a day with Bill Carnes on the track back in the He owned the racetrack up here. And we were kids. Well, when I was in college, my brother was in high school.
Jeez.
We come up here and he said, well,